Hey, hi guys. Haven't been feeling well. Fever, cold, and dry cough. It's been killing me. The cough, particularly. Had a tough nights, couple of nights. All of us got it. First, Audi got it, then Suha and me, and then Neha. Neha somehow managed to go to school today. The biggest thing is in UK, my immunity is going so down. Like, this is the second time I'm feeling ill in the last 2 months. It's a big struggle, big struggle. Whenever I cough, the whole chest pains. I just don't want to get up from here. It feels so comfortable in this place with all this jacket and everything. My mouth feels so sore. It's like a reservoir of soreness and dryness. I can't do this. I always tell to Suha like I have a lot of immunity, and usually I don't get fevers and everything for the last few years. But from this year, I feel like that has changed. Kind of when I eat outside, or when I go outside somewhere, I'm getting caught it. The immunity level is so reducing here in UK. Except the job. The thing is, we have to handle everything from our end, right? Like the kids' work, and all of us sick. So that's when you feel like you need some help or support. But that's the cost it comes when you come out of your homeland. We have gone through many of things. We will definitely get through things like this. I was talking to my mom and she was telling, if you were in Bangalore, I would have come. How can I come to London? I was joking. By the time you come, we all will be fine, don't worry. I don't want to do anything. I just want to sit like this for the whole day. Anyways, have a nice day, guys. See you when I'm healthy again.